Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, a research scholar, or just beginning your thesis or dissertation journey, then there is one thing you absolutely need to understand, and that is the literature review. It's more than just summarizing books or articles, it is how we build our research on what others have already studied, how we find gaps, refine our research questions, and position our own voice in the world of academia. In my earlier research shorts, I showed you how to review literature during the early stages to identify your research problem, choosing a title, and draft your introduction. But now, let's take it further. So, in this video series, I'll guide you through different types of literature reviews in simple language with real examples and step by step instructions. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and follow along as we break down literature reviews one video at a time. And you know that the mantra of this channel is no fluff, no jargon. So let's get started. Let's start with the most basic but essential question. What is a literature review? Simply putting, it's a thoughtful discussion of research that has already been done on your topic, but it is not just a summary. It is about understanding what is already known, what gaps are still existing, and how your study will add something new. It's like being in a conversation with other researchers, listening carefully to what they have already said, then finding your unique voice in the dialogue. Now, the question is, why do we need a literature review? Can't we just start with our research questions? Well, imagine building a house without checking if there is already a structure, or laying a foundation on shaky ground. The literature review is your solid base. And what I believe is literature review is the spine of your thesis, is the spine of your research. It helps you understand your topic deeply, avoid repeating what others have already done, and design a study that is meaningful and justified. It connects your ideas to the bigger academic picture. Here is something many new researchers don't realize. Not all literature reviews are the same. There are many types: narrative, systematic, as I already discussed in the introduction and also given the list here. Each one has a specific purpose, format, and is used in different types of research. Choosing the right one depends on your research aim, your research design, and the discipline. And don't worry, in this series, I'll guide you through each type step by step. So, what can you expect from this series? We will explore what each type of literature review means, why and when it is used, and how it fits into different kinds of research, qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods. Whether you're doing a thesis, dissertation, or publication, by the end of this series, you will know exactly which type to choose and how to write it clearly and confidently. And that's a wrap for today's video. Now you know what is literature review and why it is the beating heart or spine of every good research study. But here is the exciting part. We are just getting started. So if this helped clear your confusion about literature review, imagine what the rest of the series will do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what is coming next. And hey, tell me in the comments, what is your research topic? Have you started your literature review yet? And remember one thing, we are here to build a research community where we learn together. Until next time, keep reading, keep questioning, and happy researching. See you next week.